So finally starting to do some work on the celica again. Trying to go for kind of a minimalistic sort of engine bay. Normally you have this huge power steering pump with a reservoir sitting on top of it there, and that's going to look ugly and it's old and probably broken. So I'm going to put this one in. It's a electric power steering pump out of a new Astra. It's all kind of like standalone unit. It controls the pressure and flow and everything by itself. I think the wiring should be pretty easy. Just this big red one to the battery, brown wire to the earth on the chassis, and these two little wires here will be like a signal wire to turn it on. Hardest part's probably going to be getting down under here. I'm gonna make some brackets, a bracket to come off these 3 bolts here and sit up in there, and the lines will run through those holes there. Going to try and reuse most of the original bracket because it's got these rubber mounts it sits on, so it should stop a lot of the vibration. Because if I mount it solid, like I've seen some other people do it, they're pretty noisy. So I'm just gonna chop all these bits off and then weld on some new bar to mount it to the car. So I was going to put it down there, but then it was going to be stupidly hard to fill up. So put it here. Just got to get some fittings so I can make some lines up now. So I painted everything down there black, so it doesn't really stand out anymore, and got some fittings. Down on the rack, that's just a M16 by 1.5 to a AN hose fitting, and then for the pump side, I have this bump tube adapter to the AN hose fitting, and then just a length of hose. All the power steering lines sorted out now, just need to clamp them up here out of the way. But while I'm in the mood to make things, I'm going to make up some brackets to support the new radiator, the S13 radiator. So I made up these, they should do the job. Just have to get this in somehow. Probably going to be too small, but for the price I paid, it's good just to work out the hoses and the mounts and everything. And I'll order a new thick aluminium one when everything else is worked out in the engine bay so I don't break it. So that's going to be it until I go and buy some more metal and stuff, so I can make up the top mounts for the radiator here. Next up, I'll probably be making an exhaust for it because this cannon has to go.